We know that finding a maintenance technician is hard to come by. Here at Smart Apartment Solutions, we developed a customized plan to help them soar in your community. Hey Smarties! If you want smart solutions for your apartment community, hit the subscribe button and the bell below. We know that in today's employment climate, it's extremely hard to find qualified maintenance technicians, and we understand that at Smart Apartment Solutions. That's why we've changed our recruiting efforts. We've been recruiting people from other industries and helping them convert what they already know into smart solutions for our client. So some of the ways that we do that is through a maintenance assessment that we conduct online for a maintenance candidate. That allows us to identify where their strengths and weaknesses are in plumbing, electrical, drywall repair, painting, even appliance repair. From there, we're able to customize a plan to help develop those skills. From that plan, one of our smart technicians, either Smart Guy Dion or Smart Girl Desiree, will join them on site through multiple visits to help them develop those skills, either if it's an electrical, plumbing, on-site, on your site, and help them thrive in your community. This even includes on-site training for your existing staff. So, if you have any questions about our maintenance development program or our coaching and mentoring products, just click the link below. Until then, we look forward to getting smart with you.